Hello everyone, welcome to Happy Learning Tutorials. Hope you all are doing good. Today we are going to learn relationship life hacks about the 5 I rules of success. Are you ready to transform your life as a leader? So, to transform that life as a leader, first and foremost, you need to be interactual. Okay, what do I mean by be interactual? So, they say that think wisely before taking any decision, have the decision, think twice before taking that decision. Right. Think logically whether that decision is right or not. Think all the cons and the pros before going uh, and making a change. Okay. So all the decisions which are taken logically with proper thinking and proper analysis of pros and cons is called intellectual thinking. So that is what is required here. Number two, intelligent. So leader is always intelligent, right? So it reminds me of a basic, very good quotation. Like they say, the ability to observe without evaluating is the highest form of intelligence, right? And being intelligent, it doesn't mean you have to be extremely taking wrong decisions, but then the decisions should be efficient enough so that you have the ability to take the quick decisions when needed, when required. Okay, and it reminds me of a very beautiful quotation which says, "Strong mind discuss ideas, average mind discuss events, poor minds or weak minds discuss people." So be intelligent enough to work on your ideas, to work on your things, and be strong enough to take those quick decisions yourself. Okay. The third is introspective. Be introspective in your actions, in your words, in your commitments, in your promises, whatever you're doing. So that is the utmost quality which is required again. Be introspective in evaluating your things, your decisions, your conclusions, your efficiency, your productivity, and how to grow that above. Okay. Next is impossible. It's not impossible, it always says in the words itself, like we say, I am possible. The leader always says, I am possible, and I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna reach that peak, I'm gonna reach that, attain success. I'm gonna attain that success, I'm gonna reach my ultimate potential. That is what is needed. Last but not least, be innovative. Be innovative in your approaches. Try to find new solutions, try to have new ideas, try to present new ideas, try to attempt new in the new territories. And I always emphasize on learning new things, growing rapidly from your existing self to your new self, from what you have learned previously to what you can learn more in the future. So grow exponentially, slowly and gradually. It's gonna take time, but then do that for yourself, not for anybody else. And in order to evolve as a leader and to transform your life in all spheres of your life, try to learn and be innovative in your approaches. Always be eager to learn and be curious to learn more. Hope you like these 5 I rules of leadership success, and it is going to help you out. So these were: be intellectual, be intelligent, be introspective, always say I am possible, and be innovative. So these are my 5 P's. Hope it is going to help you out, and you can DM me for more insights on leadership training, coaching, and mentoring. And do like, follow, share, and repost, and connect for more information on the same. Have a nice day. See you later. Bye bye.